we're gonna eat food, and you're gonna watch us eat it in reverse.
Oh, it's
So it's gonna appear as if we're rebuilding the food with our mouths.
Disclaimer from Timmy. I'm so sorry.
See that? That's gonna look like it's going back.
I'm gonna go ahead and...
It's gonna look cool. Done?
Hello, goodbye.
I hope you enjoyed this.
You probably didn't. You're probably sick to your stomach.
Jordan?